Okay, for 112, they created a scatter plot, and the question says, what association can you make from the data? So I clearly see that it looks like, again, it's going like that, right? It's going downhill. So I would say that the association is a negative association. And again, I know if you're reading the book will want to know if it's moderate or if it's tight. I'm okay if you just say it's a negative association or it's a positive association or there's no association. Okay, and then it says use an ordered pair XY to identify the outliers. Well, the only outlier I see is up here, right? So if I have to see where that is, it's at 100 in the X, and then this looks like 140. So the ordered pair would be 100, 140. But the point they're talking about is clearly that point right here, right, which is circled. That's clearly the outlier.